Okay, look. In the last class, I think we completed exercise 2.2 na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just exercise 2.2 we complete. What we have discussed in that? Two things. One is value of the polynomial. One is
Types of polynomial.
value of the polynomial. And second one is zero of the polynomial. Zero of the
Polynomial.
polynomial. Two terms we discussed that day. Value of the polynomial means at certain point, what is the value? Suppose x square plus 3 is a polynomial. At x equal to 1 you have to find the value. At x equal to 2 you have to find the value. Okay, x value and polynomial given by your book, you have to check, you have to find the value. Okay, but zero of the polynomial is totally different than value of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial means same x square plus 3, you have to find the x value, you have to find the x value. By putting the x value, the whole polynomial should become 0. Okay, that is the difference between value of the polynomial, zero of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial is unlimited, but zero of the polynomial for linear equation 1 0, for linear equation 1 0, sorry, for linear polynomial. For quadratic polynomial you can able to find 2 0, for cubic 3 0. Okay,
Okay.
but value of the polynomial are infinite in every case. In linear polynomial, infinite number of value. In quadratic polynomial, infinite number of value. In cubic polynomial also, infinite value. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then we discuss some question based on this, and we also understand how to find zero of the polynomial for a linear equation, for sorry, linear polynomial. For linear polynomial, how to find the zero? Zero is nothing but, that means how to find? If I put the x value, the whole polynomial should become 0, na?
Then -5 will be the
Then p of x is nothing but x plus 5 equal to 0 and x equal to -5. This is how you have to find the zeros of a linear polynomial. But today we have discussed how to find zeros of a cubic and a quadratic polynomial. Okay,
Okay.
factorization of a polynomial. Factorization of a polynomial. First, what do you mean by factor?
Factor.
Suppose 2 is a number. 2 is a number. What are the factors? Means in which table 2 are coming? In which table 2 is coming?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. That means factor is the number. But factor is that by dividing the number by the factor, always you will get remainder as 0. Means suppose 2 is a number. If I am telling 1 is a factor, when I divide 2 by 1, my remainder should always become 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here we have to find factorization. Like look, we are finding factor of 6 na? 1, 2, 3, 6. Like this, how we have to find factor of a polynomial, that is called factorization of a polynomial. Factorization of a polynomial is nothing but finding the factor, finding the
Fine.
factor. Okay,
Okay, sir.
look, and remember, if 1 is a factor of a 6, that means what I multiply with 6, I will get 6.
6.
6. If 2 is a factor, then what I multiply with 2 to get my number 3. Same thing. If 3 is a number, what I multiply with 2 to get my factor?
2.
To get my number 6. 2. If 6 is a factor, what I multiply with 6 to get my number 6?
1.
1. Okay. Look. Let's now look the situation of example 10 ever more closely. It tells us that since the remainder q minus 1 upon 2 equal to 0, 2t plus 1 is a factor of a qt, that is qt equal to 2t plus 1 gt for some polynomial gt. This is a particular case of the following theorem. Okay, we will understand, just wait. if p of x is a polynomial of a degree n greater than equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of px if p of a equal to 0. Double I, p of a equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of px. What does it means? Suppose px is a polynomial. Px is a polynomial. Suppose px is a polynomial where degree n equal to n greater than equal to 1. That means n value 1, 2, 3, so on. And a is any real number. Suppose a is any real number. A is any
Real number.
real number. So first condition, x minus a is a factor. X minus a is a
Factor.
factor of a polynomial px, of a polynomial
Px.
px, when the condition is if I find this a value and putting in place of x, my equation should equal to 0. What does it mean? Suppose I'm taking one example. Suppose your polynomial is 5x plus 3, 5x minus 3, 5x
Minus 3.
minus 3. Otherwise you can take x minus 3 for simplification. Try to understand. This is called the whole thing is called it's called a remainder theorem. Okay,
Theorem.
by the remainder, no, just wait. Factor theorem. It is called factor theorem. Okay, here I am discussing with you what I mean by factor theorem. Suppose I have one, according to your condition they told you na. Suppose px is a polynomial. Suppose my polynomial is x minus 3 where degree should greater than equal to 1. Here n equal to 1, here n equal to 1. Then find the 0. If there is a polynomial x minus 3, find the 0.
X minus 3.
X minus 3
Minus 3.
plus 3.
X minus. Okay, sir.
Ha. X equal to plus 3. X equal to plus 3. It is telling this is the 0. This is the 0. But took this x into this side. It will be x minus 3. It will be x minus 3. This x minus 3 is nothing but your factor. And when you find the x value and putting in the polynomial, you will get 0. That means look, I am simplifying this. Factor theorem. Try to understand factor theorem. It is telling, suppose there is a polynomial of a px. It is any type of polynomial. It may be any type of a polynomial. But one condition, the degree should be greater than equal to 1. Means it may be linear polynomial, it may be quadratic polynomial, it may be cubic polynomial. Okay. And a is any real number. A is any real number. Then x minus a. I am telling x minus a is the factor. X minus a is the factor of a polynomial px. But the condition is if I am finding p of a, it should be equal to 0. Because a is real number na. Look, same thing I am applying here. Suppose I am a polynomial p of x equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, do you understand? Here n equal to how much? 1. N means degree equal to 1. And I am trying to find the 0. I am trying to finding the 0. Px equal to 0. 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x equal to 2. X equal to 2 by 3. This is how you are finding 0. This is how you are finding 0. But the factor theorem started from this. Okay, this is nothing but 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the
Polynomial.
polynomial. Okay, after this what shall I do? Took this x, took this minus 2 upon 3 into left hand side. This is nothing but your factor, this is nothing but your factor. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that means when I am finding x value equal to 2 upon 3 and putting in a polynomial, my answer should be 0 na?
Yes, sir.
Look, everything. P of x is a polynomial. Here is a polynomial. N greater than or equal to 1. Yes, n greater than or equal to 1. A is a real number. Look, A is a real number. Okay.
Okay.
And x minus a. Look, x minus 2 upon 3 is the factor. The condition is when I am putting P of a means, look, I am putting P of 2 upon 3 in the equation. Then 3 into 2 upon 3 minus 2. 3 3 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 0. I am getting 0 na? Okay, you understand factor theorem?
Okay.
Look, I am giving another example. Suppose P of x equal to 5x minus 2, 5x plus 2, 5x plus 2. Find the factor, find the
Factor.
factor, find the factor. How to find factor? First you have to, for finding factor, you have to find the 0. Okay,
Okay, sir. 2 by 5.
P of x is equal to 0. Then 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Then 5 equal to minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 x equal to. This is the 0. This is you are finding 0. But the question is saying you have to find factor. You have to find factor. For only one thing. You took this minus 2 upon 5 to right hand side. You will get. This is the factor. This is the
Factor.
factor. Okay, sometime in your question they will give factor. They will give factor and telling you check whether this polynomial having this factor or not. This polynomial having this factor or not. Then how to check? In place of x you have to put minus 2 upon 5. If factor is given, okay. If factor is given in your question, then how to find 0? Only to right hand side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then put that value of x in your equation and check if you are getting 0, that means 100% this is the factor. Okay, you understand which type of question is coming from this? You are finding 0 and take to the left hand side, that become factor. Okay,
Okay.
here we are only finding factor of a linear equation. This is a linear polynomial. Later on we will understand how to find factor of a quadratic polynomial or a cubic polynomial also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then look, you understand factor theorem?
Yes, sir.
By the remainder theorem, P of x equal to x minus a qx plus pa. If P of a equal to 0, then P of x equal to x minus a qx, we show that x minus a is a factor of a px. Since x minus a is a factor of a px equal to x minus a or gx for the same polynomial gx, so in this case P of a equal to a minus a. Okay, nothing this. This. Example 6. Look, example. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and of 2x plus 4. What does the question is saying? The question is saying you have two polynomial. One is x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 5x. This is one polynomial. This is one polynomial. 2x plus 4 is another polynomial. The question is they are giving factor. They are giving factor x plus 2. for both the equation, for both the polynomial, for both the polynomial. We have to check is this factor of both the polynomial or not. Look, based on factor, the first type of question is coming. They will give you equation, sorry, they will give you polynomial, they will give you factor, and telling you you have to check whether it is factor or not. Okay, look, solution. The 0 of x plus 2 first from the factor is given na,
Yes, sir.
factor equal to x plus 2. How to find 0 from factor? 0 equal to, only change the sign, coming, take towards right hand side. This is factor, this is 0. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then let p of x equal to x cube plus 3x plus 5x. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then p of a minus 2, p of a minus 2, because if it is the factor, but finding 0 from the factor, and by putting the 0 value, it should be 0 na.
Yes, sir.
Then minus 2q plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2. Are you looking?
Yes, sir.
Factor is given, for from factor I am finding 0. After finding the 0, I am putting the 0 value, and you know, if the factor is if x plus 2 is the factor of a given polynomial, that means from finding 0 from the factor and by putting that 0 value, the whole polynomial becomes 0 na. If 0, then it is factor, if not 0, then it is not the factor. Minus 2q is how much? Minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 square, 3 into minus 2 square, minus 4
Yes.
plus 5 into minus 2 plus 5 into
-2.
minus 2 equal to minus 10 plus 6 is here, plus 6. Okay,
Okay.
then minus 8, 3 into minus 4, it will be how much? 3 into plus 4, because minus 2 square is plus 4. Okay, minus 8, 3 into 4, it will be how much?
3 into 4.
Yeah,
3 4, sir.
12.
12, sir.
Minus 10 plus 6. Okay, minus 10 minus 8, minus 10 minus 8
-18.
plus 12 plus 6. 18, 18 cancel, it becomes 0, it becomes 0. That means it's clear, that means it's clear, but by the factor theorem, by the
Theorem.
factor theorem is saying that na, by the help of a factor theorem, we conclude that x plus 2 is a factor of
Factor of.
a x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then what I am doing here, two polynomial given by your book, one factor is given, we have to examine whether this factor is the factor of both the polynomial or not. For this, from factor I am finding 0 value, then by finding 0 value I am putting in the polynomial. Then if I am getting 0, that means it is the factor. If I am getting other than 0, then it is not the factor. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then put x plus 2 means this minus 2 in 2x plus 4, because for equation for polynomial 1, yes, it is the factor. For polynomial 2 also you have to check na.
Yes, sir.
Check and tell me.
X is minus
And this x plus 2 is the factor. From factor you have to find 0 na. Only took the right hand side.
-2.
Minus 2. Then p of a minus 2 equal to 2x. Sorry, p of x equal to 2x plus 4. Then here x value is minus 2 equal to 2 into, put the value. The equation is 2x plus 4 factor is x plus 2. From factor you know how to find 0. 0 equal to x plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Then let p of x equal to 2x plus 4. Then p of minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 2 into minus 2 how much?
-4.
Minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. That means by the help of factor theorem,
Fact theorem.
factor theorem, I can conclude that x plus 2 is the
Factor of.
factor of 2x plus 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, look. Then the question is, sir, how you are finding factor? How you are finding?
Factor.
Because in question factor are given, na? But how we are finding the factor?
Factor.
Several methods are there. Just wait. First we have to complete. In question, if factor is given and equation is given, how to examine or which type of question is coming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't think how to find factor. We will discuss. The second type of question is in the question 4x cube in the example number 3 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. One polynomial is given. Okay. And find the value of a k if x minus 1 is the factor. Was x minus 1 is the
Factor.
factor. In above question, the book is telling you you have to examine whether it is factor or not. Here 100% they give x minus 1 is the factor. Okay.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to find the k value. Here is k is a constant term, na? Here you have to find the k value. You understand? Two types of question will be coming from factor theorem. One, they will give you one equation, sorry, polynomial, and giving you one factor, telling you you have to examine. In another type of question, they will give you the polynomial and give you the factor. Only you have to find the constant term. Only you have to find the constant term. Okay. How to do this type of question? How to do this type of a question? Answer. Look. As x minus 1 is a factor of already x minus 1 is a factor of a 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k is given in your question, na?
Yes, sir.
So look, factor equal to x minus 1, it is already given.
Yes, sir.
Then 0 equal to
X plus 1.
x minus 1 equal to x plus x equal to plus 1. This is the 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if I put, suppose this is my polynomial, px equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then if I put this x value, then 100% I will get 0. 100% I will get
0.
0 because it is the factor, na? In your question, it is already telling it is your factor.
Okay, sir.
Now solve it and you can get the k value. 4 into 1 cube 1. 4 plus 3 into 1 square 3 minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus k. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. 3 plus k equal to 0. Why am I writing 0 here? Because already in the question it is given it is a factor. That means if I putting the uh, factor value but 0 value, then I will get 0, na?
Yes, sir.
Then k equal to minus 3. K equal to minus 3. Two types of question Based on this concept will be come in your exam. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then sir, how to do the split? How to find factor? How to find
Factor.
factor? Because in this question already they are giving me factor. But if the question is asking you have to find the
Factor.
factor, at that time what should you do? What should you
Do.
do? There are several methods. The for linear polynomial, it's easy. Because look, 3x plus 2, if they will give you 3x plus 2, you find the x value from 0. 3x plus, look, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x equal to 2. X equal to minus 2 upon 3. And take this to right hand side, you will get the factor. This is easy. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
But if they will give you quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, then how to find the factor?
Factor.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Number one method. Method of a common factor. Method of a
Common factor.
method of a common factor. Number two. By using identities. By using
Identities.
identities like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square. Okay.
Okay.
Then number three, splitting the middle term. Splitting
The middle term.
the middle term. Splitting the middle term. Then how to do? This is the main important concept of our chapter. Splitting the middle term. Method of a common factor. Look. Suppose there is a equation like this. 4x square plus 2x. 4x square plus 2x. You have to find the factor. It is a polynomial, na?
Yes, sir.
How to find the polynomial? Look. How 4x is forming? 2 into 2 into x into x
Yes, sir.
plus how 2x is forming 2 into x. Okay, look, common things from the first term, common thing is 2x. Look, in both the term 2x is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Then if I took 2x as common, the remaining is
X.
2x. From the first equation 2x, from the second equation 1, from the second equation
1.
1. And look, these 2x and 2x plus 1 are the two factor of this polynomial. Okay, look, I am writing the factors. I am writing the
Factors.
factors. 2x is one factor and a 2x plus 1 is another factor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then sir, if 2x is a factor, that means if I find the x value in putting the equation, I will get 0, na?
Yes, sir.
If you can check 2x equal to 0, x equal to 0 by 2, then x equal to 0. Factor is 2x, 0 is x, and you know it is a quadratic polynomial. So how many 0 it have? 2, na?
Yes, sir.
And another one is 2x plus 1. Another one is 2x plus 1. This is the factor. And 0 is equal to x equal to minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2.
2.
I put p of 0. P of
0.
0 equal to 4 into 0 square plus 2 into 0. It is equal to 0, na? That means 100% 2x is the factor of this. Number 2. Put value p of x as minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2 equal to 4 into minus 1 upon 2 square equal to 1 upon 4, na? Plus minus 1 upon 2, na? So 2x plus 1, 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Then 4 into minus 1 upon 2 square, how much?
4.
1 upon 4, na?
Yes, sir.
Plus 2 into minus 1 upon 2. 4 4 cancel, 2 2 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 0 na. This is how you have to find a factor of by using common factor, method of a common factor, but it is not using in your book. Okay, mostly we are using splitting the middle term. Then how to do splitting the middle term. We will learn us the factor theorem to factorize some polynomial of a degree 2 and 3. You are already familiar with the factorization of a quadratic polynomial like x square plus lx plus m. You have factorized it by splitting the middle term lx and ax plus bx so that ab equal to m. And then x square or nothing is important. X is splitting by splitting the middle term. Okay. Splitting the middle term cx power term percent. Okay. Look. Two things are there. We have to check here. How to find factor? How to find factor? First, by using splitting the middle term. By using splitting the middle term. It's so important. Splitting the middle term. Suppose my equation, my polynomial is, this is more useful for quadratic polynomial. Okay, x square plus 7x. Look, I am giving you one plus 10. Suppose this is my quadratic polynomial. Okay, how you I know it is a quadratic polynomial? Because the highest power is 2. Okay, first you look. First, constant value and x coefficient. Here x coefficient is how much?
2.
Co 1. First you multiply x coefficient, x square coefficient with constant. How much you get? 10. Then prime factorize this 10. Prime factorize means you have to divide this 10 by prime number. 2. 2 5 ja 10. 5 1. Okay. What does the meaning of a splitting the middle term? Took this 7x. Took this 10. 10.
Sir, got it in my 8th grade, sir.
Yeah. 7x means you have to find two number. You have to find two number. When you add or subtract, you will get 7. You will get 7. And when you multiply, you should get this result. Okay. And from prime factorization, we got the idea what are the two numbers. What are the two numbers? Here you look 5 plus 2, we are getting 7 na? And 5 into 2, we are getting 10 na?
Yes, sir.
So look, I can write x square. Splitting the middle term means we have to split only the middle term. 5 plus 2, x is in common. Plus no change in this x. 10. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now x square plus this 5 is multiplied with this x, 5x plus 2x plus 10. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then look, from these two terms, what should be the common?
5x and 2x.
X square and plus 5x. From these two terms, what will be the common things? Okay, x square is nothing but x into x.
Yes, sir.
5x is 5 into x. Then what is the common term?
X into x. Huh?
X into x, 5 into x. Which should going to be common?
X, sir.
X. The remaining is from x square, x is remaining. From 5x, 5 is remaining. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then plus. From 2x plus 10. 2x is nothing but 2 into x, 10 is nothing but 2 into 5. Then what should we take for common? Here 2x, here 2 into 5.
2x, sir. 2 into 5.
Yeah,
2, sir.
2. Then x plus 5. X plus 5. Look, if you get inside the bracket same thing, that means 100% you are doing the correct splitting. If you get different things, that means you are doing some mistake. Okay? Now you look. It is x into x plus 5. It is 2 into x plus 5. So can I take x plus 5 as common? If I take x plus 5 as common, from first term x is remaining, from second term 2 is remaining. Okay,
Okay, sir.
these two are nothing but your factor. Okay, these two are nothing but your factor.
Fact.
That means one is x plus 5 and it is a quadratic polynomial. That's why you are getting two factor. And another one is x plus 2. This is the factor number 1. This is the factor number
2.
1. This is the factor number 2. Sir, where is the 0? We are finding factor. We are finding
Fact.
factor. And you know how to find 0 from factor?
Yes, sir.
X plus 5 equal to 0. X equal to minus 5. This is 1 0. This is
1.
1 0. And x plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2. It is another 0. It is another 0. Two technique here you understand. How you find zeros of a quadratic polynomial as well as a factor of a quadratic polynomial. Sir, if I put this x value in the equation, I will get 0. Yeah, you will get 0. Check once. Minus 5 square. Minus 5
Square.
square. Plus 7 into minus 5. 7 into
Minus 5.
plus 10. 5 minus 5 square 25. Plus minus minus 35. Plus 10. Look, cancel. Okay. This is how you have to do the splitting the middle term. You understand or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Then come to same question. X square plus 7x plus 10. We have to find the factor. We have to find the
Factor.
factor by using the factor theorem. By using the
Factor theorem.
look for doing the factors of by finding if you finding factor by using the factor theorem. Number one, the coefficient of a x, the coefficient of a x square, coefficient of a
X square.
must be 1, must be
1.
1. If 1 is here in this question, 1 is there, so it's easy. If not, what should you do? I am telling. Just look. Then took the constant term. Took the constant term. Tell me what are the factors of 10?
2, 5.
1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10.
10.
Write down all this. 1, 2, 5, 10. And give plus minus. Give plus minus symbol. Plus minus. Plus
Minus.
plus minus. Plus minus. That means, look. First I am taking x value as 1 because it is plus minus 1, na? 1. Means putting this x value in equation in this polynomial. 100% by putting all these value, you will get 2 factor. You will get 2
Factor.
factors. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Look. If you are putting plus 1, if you are putting plus 1,
Class 1.
look your equation. All are in plus. If you put 1, is that any possibility you are getting 0?
No.
Then minus 1. Suppose minus 1. Okay, you can put plus 1. Nothing worry. Okay. 1 square plus 7 into 1 plus 10. 1 square plus 7 plus 10. It is 18. You are getting 18 means this is not your factor. This is not your factor.
Fact.
Then x equal to minus 1 because you are taking plus minus 1, na? It's simple fundamental that first look the coefficient. If coefficient is 1, then took the constant term, find their factor. All the factor take as plus and minus. Okay. Then by putting is the factor, check whether you are getting 0 or not. First condition, I am not getting 0. In second condition, minus 1 square plus 7 into minus 1. 7 into
Minus
plus 10. Minus 1 square how much?
minus 1 square plus 1.
1 plus 7 into minus 1? Minus 7 plus 10. Here also I am not getting 0. 7 minus 10 1 11, 11 minus 7 4. Then put x equal to, I am not taking plus 2 because if you put plus 2 you will get a different answer, minus 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Minus 2 square, minus 2 square plus 7 into minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 square plus 4, 7 into minus 2 how much? 7 into minus 2.
7 into
Yeah.
minus 14, sir.
Then look, in first condition you are getting 0. One value x equal to minus 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then check for minus 5 because plus 5 you never get 0. Minus 5. Okay, minus 5 square. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir. Understand.
7 into minus 5 plus 10. Minus 5 square 25 minus 35 plus 10. 25 10 35 minus 35. You are getting 0 now? Look, it is a quadratic polynomial. Now you get 2 0 and you know from 2 0 how to get factor. Only two are only two at right hand side na. One is x plus 2, one is x plus 5.
Okay, sir.
These are your 0. These are your zeros. These are your factors. This is how you have to find
Factor.
factors by using factor theorem or by using splitting the middle term. You understand these two things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now move to example 8. Look, 6x square plus 17x plus 5. We have to do by both the methods, splitting the middle term and by using the factor theorem. First I am doing by splitting the middle term. Splitting the
Middle term.
splitting the
Middle term.
middle term. Look, 6x square plus 17x plus 5. Took the x coefficient and a constant term, multiply. How much you get? 30. Then prime factorize the 30. Prime factorize the
30.
15, 5, 3, 3, 1. Okay, now think. When from these three number, you have to find two number. When you multiply, you will get 30.
30.
And when you add or subtract, you will get 17. First you tell me when you multiply 30. Okay. 2 into first look, three number are there na. When you do the prime factorization, you are getting 3 number.
Yes, sir.
But how you have to arrange it? Look, 2 into if I multiply this 2 into 15, is it given 30? Yes. Okay. And I am multiplying this 3 and 5 and 3. I am multiplying because I have to I have to check with two number na. So listen, prime factorization gives you the idea कि you have to arrange this number to get 30 and 17. When you multiply 30, when you add and subtract 17. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then look, 6x square plus 2 plus 15. 2 plus 15. It is giving 17x na?
Yes, sir.
Plus 15 plus 5. Don't change. Only split the middle term. Don't change the constant term.
Okay.
Then 6x square plus 2x plus 15x plus 5. Ah. Then look the terms. From 6x square plus 2x, you have to take the common. How 6x square is forming? 2 into 3 into x into x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
How 2x is forming? 2 into x. Then check which are common term in both this case.
2x, sir.
2x. If I am 2x, taking 2x as common, the remaining 3x from
2x.
3x from 6x square, and from 2x 1. 2x
1.
1. Then from 15x plus 5, what should be the common thing, common term?
The next 5, 5, sir.
Plus 5. If you are taking 5 from 15x, remaining is 3x plus 1. Look, both having same thing. That means we did the splitting correctly.
Okay, sir.
Then if I am taking 3x plus 1 as common, the remaining term 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. Now look, you already get the two factor, na? One is 3x plus 1, one is 2x plus 5. Factors are the two factors are 3x plus 1
2x plus 5.
and 2x plus 1. And you know from this how you have to find the zeros?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is splitting the middle term. But sir, how to do by using factor theorem? Factor
Theorem.
theorem. Same question by factor theorem.
Okay, sir.
Look, this is your given polynomial. Okay. Okay. Look, for factor theorem, the coefficient first rule, the coefficient of x should be 1. Coefficient of x should be,
1.
but here how much? 6. So we have to convert this 6x square by 6 into 1. How to do? Divide 6. Divide 6. Then 6x square divided by 6 plus 7x divided by 6 plus 5 divided by 6. And 6 cancel.
Yes.
The remaining is x square plus 7x divided by 6 plus 5 upon 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we have to do the remaining work. Then how to do? How to do? Take the common term 5 upon 6. Constant term 5 upon 6. Tell me what are the factors of 5?
1 and 5, sir.
What are the factors of 6?
1, 2, 3, 6.
Look, what we have to do in factor theorem. First check the x coefficient. Then after finding the x, just a minute. After finding the x coefficient, after finding coefficient of x as 1, then look the constant term. Constant term is 5 upon 6, na?
Yes, sir.
We have to finding the factor of 5 upon 6. How to find? First find factor of 5, then find factor of 6. Then combine this. Means this 1 should divide with all these things. Then this 5 should divide with all these things. Okay. So factors of 5 upon 6 factors are 1 upon 1, then 1 upon 2, then 1 upon 3, then 1 upon 6. Then again 5 upon 1, 5 upon 2, 5 upon 3, and 5 upon 6. These are the factors. These are the factors. Then write factors of 5 upon 6 equal to 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 6 plus minus 5 upon 2 plus minus 5 upon 3 plus minus 5 upon 6, then plus minus 1 plus minus 5. Okay, now we have to think x value and putting in the given equation for knowing when I will get the 0. Okay,
Okay, sir.
each and every value we have to check. Each and every value we have to check. You understand how to find factor of 5 upon 6?
Yes, sir.
Any fraction. First find the numerator and denominator factors, then divide this. Okay. First I am taking, look, if I am taking plus, I will never get 0. I will never get 0. We have to check only minus term. First I am taking x equal to minus 1 by 2. If I am getting 0, that means factor. If not, then no. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Minus 1 by 2 square, it will be 2 upon 4
Yes, sir.
plus 7 into 7 upon 6. Sorry, 7 into minus 1 upon 2 divided by 6 plus 5 upon 6. 2 upon 4 plus 7 into minus 1. It will be how much?
7 2 minus
Minus, minus 7 divided by 12. Minus 7 divided by
12.
12 plus 15 upon 16. No, I'll never get 0. So this value is wrong. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like this, if you put all these value, it will take some time. Okay, but you have to do. I am telling you directly to, because I already did this. One is x equal to minus 1 upon 3. X equal to minus 3. Put minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3 square plus 7 upon 6 into, in place of x, put minus 1 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6. Then minus 1 upon 3 is how much?
Minus 1 upon
3 square.
3 square. 3 square.
Minus 1 square how much?
Minus
1 upon 9. 1 upon 9. 7 into 1, 7 into minus 1, it will be how much?
7 into minus 1.
Minus 7. 6 into 3, 18. Plus 5 upon 6. Plus 5 upon 6. Took the LCM of 9, 18, 6. It will be 18. Then it is 2. It is minus 7. It is plus 5. Okay. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 0 upon 18 is nothing but 18. 0. Then look, I am finding the first 0, Jana.
Yes, sir.
Then if you are checking with all these, you have to check. Okay. Then next one you will get x equal to minus 5 upon 2. X equal to minus 5 upon 2. This factor.
Okay.
Okay. Two things you will get. These are the 2 0. 0.
0.
And it is a quadratic polynomial. So we will get how many 0? 2 0. But our intention is not finding 0. Our intention is finding factor from 0. You know how to find factor, na?
Yes, sir.
How to find factor?
By
Only took into left hand side, na?
right hand side.
X plus
Yes, sorry.
5 by 2.
Minus 5 by 2.
How it will become minus 5 by 2?
Sorry, 2 by 5, sir.
X plus 5 by 2, another one is x plus 1 by 3. 3 na.
Yes, sir.
But sir, question is, we are finding factor of these. But these are the factor of these na.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand? The question is saying you have to find the factor of this. But we are finding factor of this na. Then after this, what should you do? Look. X square plus 7x divided by 6 plus 5 by 6. If these two are the factors, when I multiply, I will get same value, na?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? Look, if two factors are 2 and 3 of a 6, then 2 into 3 I will get 6, na? Same thing I am applying here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then what should we do next? It's little bit confused, but you have to practice again and again to get more clarity. Okay, I will share you the video, all the video from this chapter.
Okay, sir.
Okay, look. Look, this is your last step we did. Okay, look, took the LCM of this side, it will be 6.
Yes.
Then 6 into 6 divided by 1, 6 into x square, 6x square plus 7x plus 5. Okay,
Okay, sir.
equal to here 1, 2 1 LCM 2, then 2x plus 5, and next one is 3, 3x plus 1, or I am doing the LCM. Okay, then look, 6x square plus 7x plus 5 equal divided by 2 equal to 2x plus 5, 3x plus
5.
1 divided by 3 into 2, 6. I multiply. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then this 6 cancel. Now you look, 6 x square plus 7x plus 5. This is your given. Look, this is your given quadratic polynomial, na? These are the two factors. One is 2x plus 5, one is 3x plus 1. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you understand how to do?
Yes, sir.
Look, we are getting this, na? 3x plus 5. Look, 3x plus 1, 2x plus 5. Okay,
Yes, sir.
both the cases same answer. Then the question is, your homework is